the chairman sir, and will be permitted to commence the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected member to the Telangana Legislative Council. In pursuance of the provisions contained in subsection 2 of section 53 of the Representation of People's Act 1961, ready with the rule level 1 of conduct of election rules 1961 and section 74 of the Representation of People's Act 1951. Shravan Kumar Dasoji, sponsored by Bharata Rashtra Samiti, has been declared elected by the members of Telangana Legislative Assembly on 13/3/2025, and his term of office commences with effect from 30/3/2025 as per the Telangana State Gazette notifications. Member elected will have to make or subscribe two types of oath or affirmation, one and the other one as per the observance of rules of procedure, conduct of business in the Telangana Council. May now request the Honorable Chairman to administer the oath of affirmation to the member elected, Sri Shravan Kumar Dasoji garu.
తెలంగాణ శాసన పరిషత్తు సభ్యుడినైన శ్రవణ్ కుమార్ దాసోజు అనే నేను సభా నియమాలకు కట్టుబడి ఉంటానని, వాటిని అనుసరిస్తానని, సభ మర్యాదలను పాటిస్తానని, సంప్రదాయాలను గౌరవిస్తానని దైవ సాక్షిగా ప్రమాణం చేస్తున్నాను.
మా ఫ్యామిలీలో జాయిన్ చేసి